revise. The purpose of recording it is for you to revise, actually. You can't stand your, I mean, I myself don't like my voice. When I hear it, I say, is that me? Well, yeah. Anyway, where is it? Okay, you can see the screen, eh? So we will be doing this to, hold on. Come, this thing didn't turn out. Okay. What is your, let me see. Sorry. I need to open the other one. I thought it opened up. Did it not open up? What's wrong with this? Did it not open up? Okay. Okay, let me bring you to the answer key. Okay, what is your answer for just one? What is this? So, okay, your answer, oh, this is space. Sorry. So they give the whole answer like that. Okay, your answer for question number 1A is, this is 1A, right? Is this 1A? Yes, right. Okay, your answer is x equals to?
27.
27. That's 3x equals 27, right?
X equals 9.
Okay, correct. Okay, B?
4.
B, x equals 4. Okay, C?
13.5.
13.5. Okay, now here's 14. Can I have a look at your working now? You show me your working. Okay, just hold on. Just keep it there. 16 plus 15 equals 4m minus 12. Okay, and then you bring the 4m over, you get 2m. You bring that, you get 27. 2m equals to 27. Which part? Why is there a 7 there? There's a 7 after.
That one, no, that one's not.
No. Okay, just hold on. Just let me see again. 6m plus 15, correct? 4m minus 12, correct? You bring it over to minus 27, correct? 6m minus 4m is 2m. 2m is equals to minus 27. M equals to minus 13.5. There must be a minus there. So let us see what the answer. Okay, thanks. Thank you. Let us see this screen now. What did they say? So I think they made a mistake. This one now here is supposed to be 12. Not so it's minus 27 minus 13.5. Yours, does it have a minus or you drop the minus? Don't forget that. You look, Amma, you are making the correct, you are giving the correct working and the answer key is wrong. You know what I mean? So that shows that you are ready to be a teacher. Anyway, okay, what's your answer for question number 2? Do you try to measure?
Yes.
What's your answer?
I don't know if it was accurate or not, because I did it on my phone.
Okay. You did it on your phone? You did it what?
I had to measure it on my phone.
On your phone? And your phone has a projector? No,
I put the projector on the worksheet that's on my phone.
Oh, okay. Okay. So what's the angle? You measured the big one, right? Your angle is how much?
Wait, I think I measured the wrong one.
You must minus 360 minus that. Okay, you minus first. Use a calculator, no problem. Are you getting better or not in school, maths? Is it getting easier for you? Do you find it's getting less and less challenging?
Speed is not really.
Speed is not. Speed is not.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Then compared to your friends, do you sense that they still find it challenging, some of them?
Yes, but
many of
them can answer the question.
And the rest of them cannot?
No.
And you are one of the 3 now that can answer?
No.
You're one of the what? The one in the middle?
Yes.
Okay, not bad. Okay, so what's your angle?
247.
246 degrees. Let us see whether
240.
240 degrees. Okay. Yeah, congratulations, 240. Okay. Now they say question number 3, there's 3 consecutive odd numbers. The first odd number is x. The sum of the first 2 numbers is 71 more than the third. Okay. So these are consecutive odd numbers. So can I see how you did it? Please share with me. Just hold on. The sum of the first 2 numbers is 71 more than the third.
I don't know how to do this one.
Okay, so did you let us start with this on the board now. Okay, you can do this also. We let the smallest number be, what's the smallest number? What are you going to call it? You write like this. Let the smallest is an odd number, right? Odd number be x. So you give me an odd number. Just give me an odd number. Example. 5. What's the next odd number?
7.
7. What's the next odd number?
9.
9. So this is x. This one must be x plus
2.
And the next one must be x plus
2.
No, x plus 2 plus 2 equals to plus
4.
4. You see, 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 2, 7. Now this is always true of the odd number or even the even number. Give me an even number, let's say, even number.
2.
2. The next one?
4.
The next one?
6.
So if let's say you let the smallest number be x, this one will be x plus
2.
This one will be x plus
2.
No, x plus 2. So this is 2, this is 4, this is 4. Cannot be. It must be x plus another 2, which is 4.
You said
So the
4.
next, oh, you said 4. Sorry. Okay. Now give me any number.
15.
15. Let's say the next number is 16, next number is 17. So in order to do this, if this is x, this one will be x plus. This is not odd or even. It's just consecutive number, one number after another. This one will be x plus 1. This one will be x plus
2.
Good. So if you know this and they tell you 3 consecutive numbers is plus 1 plus 2. Consecutive odd numbers plus 2 plus 4. Or consecutive even number plus 2 plus 4. So down here, let the smallest number be x. The second number be x plus 2. And the biggest number x plus 4. Okay. So now we form an equation. What do they say about the first 2 numbers? They say the first 2 numbers. Let us look at the question. Down here, can you see you can see the thing. The sum of the first 2 numbers is 71 more than the third number. The sum of the first 2 numbers is 71 more than the third number, which is the biggest number. So the first number is x, second number is x plus 2. The sum of x plus 2 is 71 more than x plus 4. Do you understand this equation? This is the sum of the first 2. Okay, if you can't see this, I'm going to write it like that. Okay, so what is this? Oh, this is sum of the first 2 numbers because the first number is x. The second odd number must be x plus 2. So this is the sum of the first 2 numbers. It's 71 more, 71 plus the third number. Now you have your equation and you can solve it. Can you try to solve it, please? You understand what's happening, Anna?
Yes.
Okay. I will give you another question after this, but can you try this while I write another question?
$75.
75?
X.
75x. X is 75. Okay, we try that here. How many x? Do you get 2x plus 2 here? You must remove the bracket. X plus x is 2x. You have to do this. Then Yeah, down here you get 75 plus x lah. Correct. And then bring the x over one side, bring the numbers over to the other side. It's always that game. Right to your O levels, it's going to be the same old thing. X is how much?
Minus 2 over 73.
Ooh, something is wrong. Okay, did you bring the x over this side?
Yes.
So you get 2x minus x, correct? Right? You bring the 2 over that side. 75 minus 2. 2x minus x equals to?
X.
X. 75 minus 2?
73.
So the smallest number is x is 73. What's the next number, Emma? If this is 73, the next odd number will be?
75.
And the next number will be?
77.
So these are the three numbers. Let us test. Can you use your calculator? 73 plus 75, what's the answer?
Wait, 73 plus
75.
148.
Now, they say the sum of the two numbers, when you minus 77, do you get 71?
Yes.
Okay, so which part do you make a mistake just now? Down here.
No, I put 7x.
7x. Where you get 7x? How you get 7x? Mistake?
Yeah.
You know your mistake? Okay, so you know this one. I'm going to give you another question, okay? You try this question. Simple question, and you try to do it. Easy, right? Easy, right? So now, in algebra, you need to make sure that you let x be the unknown. Okay, now, 3 consecutive integers. What are integers?
Whole number.
Whole numbers. Add up to 45. This is like 1, 2, 3, like that. It's not odd, not even, it's consecutive, one after another. Can you find the three numbers? That's the question. 3 consecutive integers add up to 45. What are the three numbers? Aku cicak makan lah. You understand the question, Emma? Find the three numbers. You're going to let the smallest number be A? B? Sorry? B? Let the smallest number be?
45.
No. They add up to 45. Let the smallest number be? Remember, I always write this. Just now we did let the smallest odd, the odd number be what?
X.
Same thing. So you say let the smallest integer be x. You write it down first. Then the next two numbers will be x plus what? I can see confusion behind that frown. Let's see. Are you confused?
Yes.
Okay, now you just give me one number. Give me a number. A number.
20.
20. Now, what's the next integer?
21.
21. What's the next integer?
22.
Good. So are we going to make a question with this? 20 plus 21, 41. Can you just add 20, 21 plus 22? How much is it? Is it 63?
Yes.
So 3 consecutive integers add up to 63. Let us see how to do this. I do not know that it's 20. So I'm going to show you step. Let the smallest number be x. The next two numbers are x plus, that's not 20, then got 21, right? So from x, 20 plus what equals to 21?
Plus 1.
So x plus 1 is the next number. And what's the bigger number, which is 22? X plus 20 plus what equals 22?
2.
Plus 2. So the smallest number is x. The other two numbers are x plus 1 and x plus 2. Are you confused?
No.
No. So now we form an equation. What is the equation? They say that this number, 1 number, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, they add up to 63. They equal 63. What equals 63? X plus the next number x plus 1 plus the next number x plus 2 is equal to 63. I remove the bracket, I get x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals to 63. There's 1x, there's 2x, there's 3x. 3x plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 again equals to 63. Bring over the 3 over that side. 63 minus 3. This 3 brings over here equals to 60. 3x equals to 60. X is equals to 60 divided by 3 equals to 20. See, smallest number is 20. The next two number are 20 plus 1, 21, and 22. You know how I get it? You're clear or blur?
Blur.
Blur. Which part is blur? Which part is blur? I'm talking too fast, is it?
Like, how do you know it's like x plus
Okay.
x plus 1?
Okay. So now, let us look at the relationship. How do we know? Now, the word consecutive means one after another. If I tell you, give me 3 consecutive days of the week, can you give me 3 consecutive days?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Good. You go by the next one is Tuesday. Confirm with Tuesday. The next one confirm with Wednesday. But if someone say Monday, Saturday, Thursday, that means it's not consecutive. Consecutive means one after another. You must know the meaning. If they say consecutive odd, means it must be odd number. 1, 3, 5. Can you see? This is the next odd number. This is the next odd number. This is consecutive. The next number after that. Consecutive even numbers. 4, 6, 8, 10. I can go how many I want. Consecutive immediately after that. Consecutive integers without odd or even is like 1, 2, 3. Or 7, 8, 9. Or 201, 202, 203. And I notice all of these have something in common. I just plus 1 and then plus 2. Smallest number plus 1, I get the next number. Smallest number plus 2, I get the biggest number. Smallest number plus 1, I get this. Smallest number plus 2, I get the biggest number. But if it's odd, smallest number plus 2, I get the next number. Smallest number plus 4, I get the next number. Smallest number for even, smallest number plus 2, I get the next number. Smallest number plus 4, I get the next number. Smallest number plus 6, I get the next number. And so on and so forth. There is a pattern. Do you see the pattern?
Yes.
Can you see the pattern? Yes. So if I let the smallest number be x, then this one will be x plus 1. This one will be x plus 2. Now, if you're confused, I'm going to relate this with your knowledge of primary thing. The smallest one, okay, 1 rectangular cube. Smallest number s. The next number, 1 rectangular cube, but plus 1. Because the next number you must plus 1. And the next number after that, the same unit, plus 2. 7, 8, 9, or 10, 11, 12. Can you see? This whole thing is equal to 63 in this case. 63 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus this. I get 60. 60 is for 3 units. Same thing. Same thing. So down here, I take x, x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equals to 63. 1 unit, x down here. 2 units, 2x. 3 units, 3x. But not only 3x, you must plus 3. Plus 1, plus 2, 3. 3 units plus 3 is equals to 63. Same thing. Then I minus off the 3. I bring this over this side, become minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Oh, same thing. I minus the 3. I get 60 over here. 60 is for 3 units. So what is 1 unit? 1 unit is 20. So the smallest number is 20. Bigger number must be plus 1 because it's the next number. Next number is 22. How? Better?
Yes.
Okay, now I just give you another number. This is not consecutive odd number, so don't plus 2. You just plus 1 and plus 2. Not plus 2 plus 4. Huh? So I'm going to change it to 45. Okay, now that's the original question. All right, to 45. 3 consecutive numbers, one after another whole numbers, add up to 45. Now what are the 3 numbers? I should not have rubbed off. Never mind, you try. You can do it. Let x be the smallest number, that's the clue. Pen is done. Masker apa?
14.
X is 14, good. What's the next 2 numbers? Just tell me. 15 and
17.
16. So that's the answer. Now I'm going to give you another one, okay? But this time I'm going to give even numbers. Okay? 3 consecutive even integers. I'm going to give a little bit challenging. Okay? Don't be confused by this. Don't be confused by this. Don't be confused by this. Add up to, hold on now. Okay lah, I won't give you too tough one. 36. Even numbers, huh? 3 consecutive even integers add up to 36. What are the 3 numbers?
Ten,
10,
12,
12.
14.
Good, well done. You're clear?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to do 3 consecutive even numbers. Add up to, don't be scared of this. Don't be scared. Same thing. It's the same thing, Emma. Negative 30. Same thing. Okay, you just give me a negative number first. Give me a negative number.
Minus
1
15.
digit. 15. So what's the next number? Consecutive will be minus
16.
No, that one is getting lesser. You got a plus 1. You have 15, 14. Then minus
13.
Good. Because this one, you owe $15, then you plus 1, you owe $14. You plus 2, you owe $13. You get it? The same thing, Emma. Same thing, you try. Same form way you did just now. But this is not odd or even, just 3 consecutive integers. Because they may give you this in your exam. You never know. Okay, come, you try. Equals to negative 30.
-9.
Minus 9 is the biggest or smallest? Okay, minus 9. Minus 9 is correct, it's one of them. That's one of them?
-8.
Minus 8. Minus 7, okay. So you add these three up, can you use your calculator? Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, what do you get?
-24.
So we want minus 30, almost there. One of the numbers is minus 9. This is the biggest number actually. Okay, we go now. Show me your working. Show me your working. Can I see your working? Hold on. Wait. Equals to minus 30. You didn't put a minus 30 there. Did you put minus 30? Wait. Minus 30. So you bring it over there. Ah, your mistake. Okay, come. Okay, all right. Thank you. Thank you. Now I show you your mistake. Okay, you didn't put the minus sign because maybe you might think it's easier not to put the minus sign, but you have to put the minus sign. X plus 1, x plus 2. This part, are you confused or not confused?
Not confused.
Equals to minus 30. You look at your working. You put 30. Correct or not? Now, Emma, you bring plus 1, plus 2, this, okay, we factorize this. Do you agree it's 1x, 2x, 3x? Correct? Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, right? 1 and 2 is 3. Is this correct? True?
Yes.
Now, plus 3 you bring over, it becomes? Minus 30, you owe $30, you owe $3. How many dollars do you owe?
33.
Yes, that's where your mistake is. Now, 33 divided by 3, you get 11. X equals to minus 11. So your answer will be smallest number is minus 11. The next one is minus 10. The next one is minus 9. How? Okay. Okay, I give you one challenging one. Okay, one challenging one. 3 consecutive integers, they add up to 0. Find the 3 numbers. Same method. You can do it. Same method. Ken?
-1.
Good. Smallest minus 1. Next number is?
-0.
Minus 0, just 0 only. Okay, next one?
0.
0 there. Next one, you must plus. 0 plus 1?
1.
1. So we add this. Minus 1 plus 0 is still minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. You have you owe $1, you pay $1, got no more money. You get it now. Which part are you confused? You look a little bit confused. Are you confused? No. 0 doesn't have a minus or a plus. 0 means kosong. Kosong means you don't owe anyone money, you don't have any money. Okay. So you get it? Okay for you? Easy, eh? Okay, let us look at your, what is your next? Okay, we just check the answer down here. So can you see there's now the 73, 75, 77, we went through. Okay, what is this one? Could you do question 4?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the answer? Write down integers. What are the integers to you?
Whole number.
Okay, yeah. So what are they?
1, -6, and 37.
Well done. Prime number?
37.
Good. Irrational number?
Pi.
Pi. Well done. You are very clear about this. Well done. Look, These terms, I believe, were they not confusing to you, all these integers, prime number, irrational number? Correct, right? They were at first confusing to you at the beginning of the year. Now you understand fully, you can even explain it to your younger brother. Let's say your younger brother asks you, what is integer? You will say it's what? You told me just now. Whole numbers, right? Good. So you know the answer down here, as you can see, it's correct. Okay, question number 5. You got your answer?
Yeah.
Okay, can you check whether it's the same down here? Okay, you tell me what's your answer. 2 to the power of
2
times 3 to the power of
4.
Good. Could you find the square root?
Yeah.
What's your answer?
Oh, wait.
You can.
I did it halfway.
Okay, you try to do. You must divide the numbers all into 2 equal groups. Then you get the square root. You're getting better, Emma. And I think you know that. You know that, right? Emma, you know you're getting better, Emma?
Yeah.
You sound so unenthusiastic. You should be happy.
I forgot what to do with the extra number.
Okay. There's no extra number here. There's no extra number. Okay. Now you see now. I'll give you an example. 3 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of 8. Oh, sorry, you cannot see. Sorry. You can see here. I want to make this into 2 same numbers multiplying itself. I can put 3 down here. I can put 3 down here. There's 2 gone already. So 5 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of 4 equals to 5 to the power of 8. I've just divided it into 2 same numbers. So your answer is?
$18.
18. 2 times 9. Okay, correct. 18. Okay, let us see. We did, right? 18, yeah. Yeah. Can you see? You can see how they have done. You did it into, split it into 2 brackets of the same number. The last time the question we did is that number cannot be square rooted. Now they are giving you a number that can be square rooted, so you can do it straight. No confusion, right? No. Do you know that my family member saying I'm shouting? Am I shouting?
A bit.
That's the way I teach. But probably, in a classroom, but maybe face to face, I won't be talking like that. I'm afraid you can't hear me, you see. Okay, what's the answer for question number 6? Do you know how to do this?
No.
Okay, what's the answer? A is,
53.
X is 53. Congratulations. You wrote vertically opposite angle?
Yes.
Okay, well done. Okay, next one, B is?
37.
47.
37.
Good. Okay. So you have your reasoning down here, adjacent angle on a straight line. Okay, all right. Well done. Congratulations. So you are having no problems with this. Okay, now question number 7. You have not done question number 7, right?
No.
Okay, let us see what the question is. Okay. So down here, we must show the drawing here. So now down here, let me, okay. They're asking you, okay, there's 4 quadrants down here. This is a quadrant. This is a quarter of a circle. Quarter of a circle is quadrant, quadrant, quadrant. If you put it all these quadrants together, you can get the shape of a full circle. Do you know that? Can see that? Can you imagine that, right? So if you can imagine that, that means you know how much will you be cutting out from here, you will know. So they ask you what is the arc length of each quadrant. This arc length down here. The arc length of each quadrant. Well, why don't you find what is the circumference of the circle along here? Okay. You find the circumference of the circle along here. Can you see this circle?
Yes.
Formula of circumference is pi times d, correct?
Mm.
So what's the diameter here?
2.
No, that's a radius. Be careful, miss. What's the diameter?
2.
2 or 4?
4.
4. Huh? Okay, so you just take 4 times the pi at 3.14. Use your calculator. 3.14 times 4. You got answer? And then,
12.56.
okay, and then remember, you want only the arc. You got to divide it by 4 parts. This now has 1 arc, 2 arc, 3 arc, 4 arcs. You want only 1. So you take the circumference, you divide by 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get
3.14.
3.14.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, correct. Okay, 3.14, yeah, correct. So what's the perimeter of the figure? You know this, you can find. Can you find the perimeter of figure?
$28.56.
28.56. Okay, congratulations. Easy, right? Area of the figure, you know how to find area of figure?
Yeah.
Okay, please find the area of figure. You see, all these now become chicken to you, no? See, I'm losing all my hair now. Your dad still, I can't remember whether your dad has a head full of hair. Does he have a head full of hair? Yes, right?
Yeah, but then he shaved it.
He shaved it. When I was there, was he having a head full of hair? He had, right? He wasn't bald, right?
No, he was.
He was. Oh my goodness, I can't remember. My memory is bad. So if you see me on the street years from now, just call me, But knowing Emma, she might just buat bodoh ni. You just tell me I'm Emma. Okay, I'll remember. Because I've gone to my previous workplace, I work in many places, and I can't remember my ex-colleague's name. Oh my goodness, it's very embarrassing.
Is it 39.56?
For the whole thing, let me see. 13 times 7. 13 times 7 is, I think it's something, okay, but you still 39.56, let me see. 50.44. You take the area of this rectangle, right? You find what's the area of rectangle minus the area of one circle. The rectangle is, what's your length of the rectangle from here to here? How many?
9.
Not 9. 9. Oh yeah, 9. 9 times
7.
63. Okay, then what's the area of one circle? You go in minus circumference. You minus circumference or area?
Circumference.
Don't do that. Circumference in cm. Area is cm square. These are different aliens, no? What's the area of one circle? I don't know. 4. Hey,
50.44.
50.44. Okay. But the area and the circumference is the same, huh? Is it true?
Hmm.
3.14 times 4 is the same as 3.14 times 4. Okay. So, okay, but anyway. So, I think maybe you made a mistake. Which was your mistake? 9 times 7 or earlier on, which was your mistake? You found the wrong area for the rectangle or you found the wrong area for the circle?
Wrong area for rectangle.
What was your area?
I'm 9 times 3.
Oh, okay. Okay, so be careful. You know why? Because you saw this 9 and then you assume 9 is in the center here, 3. This is the trick the brain plays on itself. Do you do number 8? Done? Any answer?
A is 25.
A is 25. Congratulations. And
B is 9.
B is 9. B is 97 or 9?
Oh, 97.
97. Do you put 97? Yes,
I
huh?
did grouping as 97, but then I put the answer as 9.
Okay, so be careful, because you will okay. So now, okay, 9, that means you got no problem with angles. I think angles seem to be maybe one of your favorite topics in maths. I think so. Okay, what about question number 9? I.
M plus 7.
M plus 7 or M minus 7? N.
Yeah.
You see, now down here, we group this together. We see, we group this together. Remember, we can always do it like that, Emma. Minus 3M, minus 2N, plus 4M, and then minus 5N. So what is it equal to? I'm going to group the M together. This is M, right? Okay, I'm going to underline the M. Can I underline? I cannot underline. Okay. So there's minus 3M here. There's also plus 4M. I just put the plus 4M in front. Then there's minus 2N. Remember, the sign is always in front of the sign. Minus 5N. See, once I arrange this, you can see it now. 4M minus 3M, you're correct, is M. But you owe $2, you owe $5. You must owe $7. True or not? Can see not? Do you get it? Emma, do you get it? Not?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what's your answer for question? You must be able to see. Otherwise, yeah, you must be able to see. Okay. If you cannot see, you must see. You cannot see. You can see, right? How we get? Okay. So what about the next one? What's your answer?
Minus 2x minus 1.
Minus 2x minus y. Minus 2x minus y. This answer is it?
Minus 4x.
4x. Okay. Minus 4x minus y. Is it? Let us see. 5y minus 4x. So let us do this together. You tell, can I see your working? Can I see your working first? Can I see your working? And hold it there for a while so that I can check. Okay, wow, very nice handwriting. First mistake, minus 3 times minus y. Okay, put down, check. Minus 3, take it down. Take it down. Take it down. Yeah, bring it down. Okay. Minus 3 times minus y, what's the answer? Minus 3 times minus y. Minus times minus means you get?
Yes.
So yours is a minus. So that's where the whole thing becomes a mess. It's just one sign mistake. So you try to correct your thing, what do you get?
Minus 5x minus y.
Okay, so we go together. Show me again. Let's see, yeah. But you didn't correct your minus 3 times minus y. You didn't make it plus 3y. Right? You must change the last term. Okay, wait. Hold on. Don't take it down yet. Don't take it down yet. Okay, take it down, take it down. I'm going to show you something now. Okay, you can take it down. We are going to look at now how we have to look at your son is. Okay. Down here, come. We see now. Make it big. You see this one down here, minus 3 times minus y. This must be plus. Do you get it? Plus 3y. Because you see, okay, 2 times x, 2x, correct? 2 times y, 2y, correct? Plus. Then minus 3 times plus 2. Minus times plus equals to minus, correct? Minus times minus, minus 3 times minus y, minus times minus equals to plus. So can you put a plus down here? Can you see my cursor?
Yeah.
Can, huh? So you put the plus. Now, how many y's do you have now?
2.
2y.
3, 4, 5.
3y. Plus 3y lah. Okay, now you factorize now. You can take 2y plus 3y. How many y altogether? 2y plus 3y. This is plus, huh?
5.
5y. And then you have $2, you owe $6. You have $2, this one is correct. Minus 4x plus 5y. Are you okay, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. You clear? You're clear, right? Don't, as they say, don't KK. You know what's KK? Where is KK? In Chinese, they say, I think it's don't pretend lah that you know, okay. Okay, and the next one now. We go to the next one. Where is the worksheet now? So question number, so down here, there's no minus 4x plus 5y, correct. Okay, no problem. Okay, the next one. This one, can you do this one? Question number, no. Okay, let's do. You know what's a cuboid? Cuboid? It's like a cube, but one part is rectangle. Okay, so now you have a cuboid. They give you what the cuboid is. Okay, I am going to draw this cuboid. Okay, just a moment. I'm going to stop share 12 by x by 5. So you just draw if you want to do. For me, I will draw. Why? Because it helps me visualize it. Okay, you got 12 by x by 5, is it? 12 by x by what? By 5. 12 by x by 5. Okay. So maybe something like that. Okay. The length is like 12. The breadth is x. And the height is 5, let's say. And this is equals to, according to the question, this is equals to 60. The volume is 60. So now, we now go to the formula. The formula is length times breadth times height, remember? So if you want to find, I do not know whether you remember this. Last year I showed you something like that. You want to find volume, length times breadth times height. You want to find height, cover height. Volume over length times breadth. If you want to find breadth, volume over length times height. So now, they tell you that 12 times x times 5 is equals to 60. Can you see now? Length times breadth times height equals to 60. That's what the question is saying. The question is saying, if you look at it, the dimension is 12 by x by 5. The volume is 60. Okay, so they ask you to find what is x. So let us times it out to find. 12 times x times 5. Okay, I try times the number first. 12 times 5 is 60. 60 times x is 60x. 60x equals to 60. X is equals to 1. That's it. 60 by 60 is 1. So down here is 1. It's a very slim, like a book lah. You know, a book is like, okay, you have a book, the length of it, the spine is 12 cm. Then the thickness is only 1 cm. And then the height might be like that. No, it might be a book like that. Okay. Or it might be a chocolate bar. If it's all. So, okay. So you get this one, It's easy, right? I hope it's easy. So now they say the cuboid is melted. To form smaller cuboids, dimension 2 by 1.5 times 0.5. So they ask you how many smaller cuboids can be obtained. The volume is 60. So you find what's the volume of one small cuboid. How much? It take 2 times 1.5 times 0.5. How much is it?
1.5.
So now you got 60 cubic cm. And everyone is 1.5. How many
40.
how much?
40.
40, yeah. And yeah. Are you sure you get 1.5? Yes, huh? Yeah, should get 1.5 one. So again, a mistake again. You put 0.6. It's supposed to be 0.5. So don't bother about this answer. Your answer is correct. Okay, 40 is correct. Okay, because down here, this is the mistake. Yeah? Supposed to be 0.5. So 2 times 1.5 times 0.5 is 1.5. 60 divided by 1.5 get 40. Okay, all right, here we go. Did you try this now? Can
Yeah.
do? What's your answer?
2.9.
2.9. Okay, 2.9. Congratulations. Oh, okay. Then what about km hour to meters per second?
25 meter per second.
Wow. Okay, very good. Oh, very good, huh? Okay, now we move on to the next one. Okay, down here they say, do you do this?
Yeah.
Okay. Correct the following to two significant figures. So what's your answer?
100.
100. The second one?
10.
100 so.
10.
10. Okay, should be correct. 110. Well done. So this shows you really understand. I'm so happy. Okay. It is no longer like last year. No, last year you understand some part you don't understand. Certain part to you is a mystery, It means you get it, you're not so sure because maths is like a mystery. I might get it wrong. It's not like that, right? It's not like tikam or you play 4D. You know 4D, right? There's no such thing as a right number. Any number can win. But maths is not like that. It's once you see the pattern, you can never get it wrong. Okay. So now for your B, they ask you to estimate the value to one significant figure. See, estimate the value of this, giving your answer to one significant figure. Okay, so now let us see.
12.
Your answer is 12. Okay. Okay, so they got 10. So down here, can you see this one here? Just now you say the answer is 100, right? So you have to use this 100 here. So square root of 100, 1 equals to 100. 10 times 10. Or you can use calculator, so no problem. No problem. The next one is 10.45. You replace it down here. You estimate by replacing it here. Okay, this one becomes 10. Then this one 14. Okay, but this is don't worry about this. The question was not too clear lah. It was not too clear. But what they meant now here is for you to use. They should have said using the values from question A, estimate this to one significant place. They should have said that, but they did not say that. So you cannot be wrong totally lah. What about question number 13? Can do?
2.8 degrees Celsius per minute.
28 degrees Celsius per minute.
2.8.
2.8. Let us see. Congratulations. Do you write it something like that?
Yeah.
Okay, well done, well done. Wow, very good, Emma. And the next one, B, number 2,
14 degree Celsius.
14 degrees. Congratulations. I think if you say you're not getting help for maths at home, you're now the smartest girl in maths at home. Is it true? Smartest person. Are you better in maths than your parents now?
My dad is also okay with
Also,
secondary.
oh, second, okay. Okay, here we go. So you have, you got quite a number correct, yeah? Yeah? Estimated how much your score? You have gotten quite well, no? You passed quite strongly, is it? You had a test the other day?
No,
Are you having a test soon?
I think in 2 weeks.
2 weeks time. Okay, so you got to tell me what to go through. What do you want to go through? Maybe I'll give you some of the questions on the board for you to try. Just now, let us see which one that you had difficulties in. This one, I really don't consider that too tough because the instructions were not clear. Okay. Okay, I'll give you this one. Volume. Okay, ready? Rectangular cuboid 7 cm by y cm by 2 cm has a volume of, hold on, 42 cubic cm. Okay, find what is what, find y. That is for question number A. Okay, can you see? You understand my handwriting, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
A is 3.
Good, well done. Congratulations. Okay, now we do another one, which is 3 consecutive odd numbers add up to 75. Find the smallest number. Odd numbers, consecutive, 3 of them, add up to 75. What is the smallest number?
The decimal.
No, decimal. I don't think it's a decimal. Consecutive odd numbers. Show me your working, show me your working, show me your working. X plus 2, X plus 2 again, or X plus 4? You check this. Remember who you are.
Oh, 23.
23 is the smallest. The next one is 20,
Yeah.
25, and 27. Easy, right? So I think you have done quite well. Have you done any latest drawing so far?
Yes, my CCA.
Can I see them?
I don't know if the quality will be good.
So far, what you produced is good.
No, but the quality on camera might.
Oh, on the camera. Let me see. Maybe I might want it. Wow!
It's a painting.
It's a painting. Then the green part on the avocado is what? The shadow. Is it?
Yeah,
Oh, how long do you take to complete this, man?
3 days.
How much will you sell it for?
I don't know.
Will you sell it?
I don't know.
Okay. All right, you got.
Read it today.
Let me see. What is that? Who is that?
It's supposed to be a person.
Oh, Leonardo DiCaprio.
Yes.
Wow, but he looks a little bit older. Very sad. Where do you get this image from?
We have to replicate our teacher's drawing.
Your teacher's drawing. So your teacher drew Leonardo DiCaprio.
Yeah.
Could your teacher draw him? Well. So what else? What else can you? That's it.
Wait.
Hey, that avocado is very nice, man. Why don't you get your drawings on an exhibition or something?
I don't know if that's possible.
Possible. You just try lah. You just find out what exhibitions there are. Submit it, but don't submit the original. I suggest what you do. If they ask you to sample, go in color photocopy it. You know you can color photocopy it, right?
Yeah.
Or you scan it now. You see what is that?
This is also for CCA.
What is CCA? This is drawing, painting.
Yeah.
It looks realistic, huh? You really observe the pencil under light now. Wow. Okay. That's for your CCA. What do you mean? What CCA is that?
Art club. So basically we do paintings.
So what do you have art lesson in normal school time or not?
Yeah, art lesson plus my CCA.
Okay. Congrats lah. So maybe I might after your exam I might contract you to do a piece on me, can? Okay, no. After your exam lah. After the end of the year, maybe at the end of the year, then I might put it on my website. Okay, Emma, you got any questions for me?
No.
Okay then. So see you. I will send you the link. You need to revise. If you forget, you got to refer to the whatever that video that is being uploaded. Okay. Don't worry about how you sound. Everyone sounds like that. I'm sure. I mean, I hear my own voice say, "Oh my goodness, I wish I can just erase of it," but I should not. Okay, but anyway, all the best. Take care. If there's anything, you just message me. Okay. And can you do paper 2? We have finished paper 1. You do as much of paper 2 as possible by Sunday. Okay. All right. Bye-bye, Emma. See you.